Welcome back, YouTube. It is a great day to be different. So that's what we are going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. And we're going to jump right into this. We have a comparison video of the Babyliss LoPROs, the Babyliss Boost, and the StyleCraft Instincts. But as you can see, here goes the first one. We have the LoPROs. From my understanding, LoPROs represent low profile. And these have a really great low profile ergonomic feel to them. They feel really well. These are, in my opinion, the Babyliss version of the wall singers. And they fade, knock down bulk very well. No issues. They don't have any issues debulking. They fade beautifully. No issues with taking out that ball line. No issues with knocking down the bulk. Everything, it blends beautifully, it fades beautifully, they feel good in the hand, they're weighted really nicely. Have the 5-notch clicky lever, which I really like, and they fall into the wall guard system. Love the wall guard system. That's how my fading process is. And yeah, these things, I don't have too many complaints about them. What I do not like about them though is that they do run hot. These blades get very hot. They get extremely hot. Do not know why. I cannot tell you why, but the thing that they do differently than the wall singers is that they do a good job of preventing the heat from traveling all the way down the clipper, causing discomfort to the barber. Unfortunately, the blades do get hot, but the clipper will stay a lot cooler for you as the barber, and you can hold on to these a lot longer. That is the only issue that I have with these, but they fade beautifully, they work beautifully, and they do the job, as you can see right there. Moving on to the Babyliss Boost. These things right here, the lawn mowers, they do a great job of debulking. They do a great job of fading. 5-notch clicky lever, fall into the wall guard system as well. As you can see right here, same guard system, same exact steps, and they do the job. Now, one big thing that I do not like about these is they are not ergonomically the best clippers. They are a little bit big, are a little bit bulky, but what Babyliss has done that has convinced me into keeping these clippers is the rubber grip that they have came out with. Game changer. As you saw, the LoPROs that I had earlier needed a grip, and trust me, you need that grip because those things can feel very slippery. These, on the other hand, these Babyliss Boosts do not need any aftermarket parts. As you can see right here, we have the rubber grip, rubber handle. Hold on to them really nicely. They do not get hot. They stay cool. Temperature runs well. It lawn mows. It blends. No issues. They come with charging dock options. Everything that you need in these clippers. Just would prefer a much better ergonomic feel. That is the only thing that I have with these clippers, but as you can see, blends beautifully. So now we're going to move on to the Instincts, and as you can see, these things right here absolutely mow. They pack a punch. Probably the most powerful clippers on this video, no joke. Even though they are so tiny, so small, so lightweight, all plastic housing, they feel like little toys, but these things, I promise you, come with a punch. They can lawn mow anything, they can debulk anything, they can cut anything. They blend beautifully. They take out that ball line with no issues. They fall into the wall guard system just like I need them to. Exactly how I fade. They do everything I need them to do. Only thing that I do not like about this clipper, honestly, is that the blades do run hot. It's been a known issue in these Instincts, which I believe they fixed in the newer Instincts. I don't have a pair of those, but the blades run hot, man. They run too hot. But luckily, it's all plastic housing, so no discomfort to the barber, no issues, and they are a little loud. They run a little bit loud. These are probably the loudest clippers in this video as well, but they pack a punch. But all these clippers hold their own. They all fade right into each other. Same system, same guards, same steps, and the same results. If you are a bystander that didn't watch this video, you would not be able to tell that I used 3 different clippers for this one haircut because they all blend right into each other. If I had to choose one, it would be the Babyliss Boost, simply because they are the only clippers on this video that do not run hot in any way, shape, or form, and they come with the grip option. You don't have to pay for anything extra. But this is Krispy, and that is Krispy. We out. Peace.